Hi everyone! Happy Thursday sa inyong lahat. Today meron tayong quick pick a card reading na gagawin, okay, sa ating channel. So, sa harapan ninyo, we have two piles. So, dito sa ating maroon bracelet, this is pile number 1. At dito naman sa ating black obsidian or black tourmaline bracelet, this is pile number 2. Okay? So, what you are going to do is pick a pile na sa tingin ninyo na mag-resonate sa inyo. Ngayon, ang topic natin for today is who is keeping tabs on you? So, tingnan natin kung sino itong person na to na sumusubaybay, pwedeng spying on you, o pwedeng pinagmamasdan ka sa malayo, or binabantayan yung bawat kilos mo. So, ayun yung ating topic for today. So, pili na kayo kung anong pile. This is pile number 1. This is pile number 2. And then later, pagkatapos nating ilatag yung ating tarot cards, try nating mag-pull ng oracle cards, conjunction dito sa inyong cards na napili. Okay, so this is pile number 1, pile number 2. So, pili na kayo kung anong pile yung sa tingin niyo mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay, so start na tayo. Pili na kayo, guys. This is pile number 1. This is pile number 2. Okay, kung nakapili na kayo ng pile na sa tingin ninyo mag-resonate sa inyo, let's start with pile number 1. So, tabi lang natin si pile number 2. Kung pile number 1 ang napili mo, this is your reading. So, who is keeping tabs on you? Sino tong person na to na binabantayan ka? Okay? So, disclaimer lang, pwedeng vice versa yung energy, pwedeng sa'yo yung reading, ikaw yung energy na nakuha natin, or it can be this is the person. Itong person na to yung nakukuha nating reading, and kung hindi mo nag-resonate to, pwedeng pumili ka ng isa pang pile, which is sa pile number 2, okay? So, take what's resonate lang and leave the rest, okay? So, simulan na natin. Pile number 1, who is keeping tabs on you? So, tingnan natin. Simulan natin sa yung what's the tea card. So, titingnan natin kung sino ba tong person na to. Okay. Hook. Hook card. So, hook card is nandito. So, it can be a water sign. Okay. Or, this is signify na this is literally this person is hooked sa'yo. So, ito ay ibig sabihin ng nakatuon talaga yung attention niya sa'yo. Talagang, talagang straightly sa'yo lang yung attention niya. Parang ganon. Okay? And kung makikita ninyo, this is a chain. So, it can be, there is a, soul tie, okay? It can be a karmic. Pwedeng karmic to, or this can be signify na this person is a very controlling person with this chain, okay, or a hook. This is a controlling kind of a person. Talagang binabantay, siguro ang isa sa personality nitong person na to is very controlling. Okay, so and it can be meron akong nakuha na for some of you, hindi maganda yung energy na nakukuha ko. It can be this person is someone na naghahanap ng makukuhang news, updates pagdating sa'yo or about sa'yo. Okay? So, yun ang nakukuha ko, ha? So, talagang it can be binlock mo tong person na to. Meron akong nakitang pwedeng ibinlock mo to. Okay. So, titingnan natin. Obsessive lover. Dangerous, toxic, unhealthy possessiveness, karmic. Anong sabi ko kanina? Ha? So it can be this is a obsessive lover, a controlling lover, a toxic lover, unhealthy. Merong unhealthy behavior tong person na to, very controlling, possessive, okay? And it can be this is a karmic. Okay? Pile number 1. Medyo hindi maganda yung energy na nasisense ko dito. Hindi okay yung energy na nakukuha ko dito. Meron akong nakukuha na parang nakakasakal. Okay, may energy tayong nakukuha na parang nakakasakal siya. Nakakasakal, nakakalunod, parang ganon with the water. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Wants you back. Ooh. So for some of you, pal number 1, this person is a lover na siguro meron kayong nagkaroon na sa inyo ng separation. Ayaw mo na dito sa person na to. Okay, it can be. But this person with the wants you back card signify na po pwedeng this person still wants you. Okay? Gusto ka pa din. Gusto makipagbalikan sa'yo. This person is kumukuha ng information, maybe about sa'yo. Okay? Kasi pwede sigurong binlock mo tong person na to or nag-no contact ka dito. Okay? So, yun yung nakikita ko. Yes. Tinalikuran mo na tong person na to eh. Meron akong nakita na for some of you, yung iba sa inyo, tinalikuran nyo na tong person na to. Okay, so tingnan natin sa Numinous Oracle deck mo. Okay. Pluto. Transformation. Ooh, renewal in resources. Okay, for some of you, meron ako nakikita dito na it can be this is a Scorpio. Okay. For some of you, it can be a water sign, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. Okay. For some of you, po pwedeng after mo makipag-relationship dito sa person na to, you have the transformation. Okay. There is a death or a death na nangyari dito, an ending. Okay. Po pwedeng for some of you, obsession is here again with the Pluto. Obsession, intensity. This is a intense lover. Okay. This is a very extreme lover. Pag nagalit to, po pwedeng it can be physical or it can be verbally abusive in words. Okay, meron akong nakukuhang ganon. Ito is yung parang parang volcano kapag sumabog. This is a very destructive kind of a personality sa person. Okay, it can be this person is po pwedeng ito yung traits niya before ha. Pwedeng ito yung traits niya before and then kahit pa paano is nag-transform na siya. Okay? It can be. While for some of you, it can be still this person is obsessed. Okay? Intense. For some of you, meron ako nakukuha talaga. This is a Scorpio. Okay? Meron ako nakukuha na it can be this person is a Scorpio. Intense lover. Okay? This is an intense lover for some of you guys, ha? An intense lover. This person still wants you and wants you back. Okay, so tingnan natin. Ooh, tingnan natin sa iyong tarot card. This is a very intuitive person also, or it can be you. You are the Scorpio. Suspicion. So, it can be, for some of you, masyadong paranoid tong person na to, masyadong suspicious. Okay? So, for some of you, is, medyo dark yung personality nitong person na to. Meron akong nakikitang ganon. Medyo dark, medyo obsessive, medyo intense siya magmahal. Intense lover. Very volcanic or very eruptive to kapag nagalit. Okay? This is a very strong person. Okay? Oh, tingnan pa natin. The Star. Aquarius. It can be this person sees you as a star. Okay. Sexy, attractive person pa din. Okay. Star card is here. So, ganyan na lang natin. Star. Okay. The Fool. Okay, so it can be signifies um pwedeng ikaw ay extroverted, okay? Pwede ding itong person na to is walang pakialam, okay? Walang pakialam sa sasabihin ng iba, kumbaga parang, pero meron ako nakukuha na this is you. The Fool signifies the Fool na parang ano ka, you are a very free-spirited kind of a person. It can be you are an extrovert or this person is an introvert person, okay? A very attractive person. Ikaw is ano ka, para kang star. Meron ako nakikita na you are a star na kumbaga siguro maraming nakakakilala sa'yo, marami kang friends, like an Aquarian, okay? Marami kang friends, you're an extrovert kind of a person, masayahin, okay? And this person is ayaw ng ganun. Mahigpit to eh. Meron akong nakuha na this person is mahigpit. Okay? Page of Pentacles. Oh. O pwedeng you are younger. Okay, you are younger dito sa person na to. Oh. Ace of Wands. Oh, fire sign. For some of you, it can be you are a fire sign, an air sign, a water sign, okay, or an air sign. Meron ako nakikita na this person is nakikita niya na you are in a new venture, you have new friends, okay, new job. The Moon. Oh, Scorpio again. O, 'di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo eh, hindi mo alam, ang personality na tong person na to is a dark. This person has a dark personality. Meron ako nakukuha na may dark personality tong person na to. This person is maybe gumagamit ng fake account or this person is hidden, okay? Hindi mo alam. Meron akong nakikita dito na pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, this person is hindi maganda yung energy ha, to be honest, hindi okay yung energy niya. Gusto nito ng control again. Kasi wala na siyang control sa'yo eh, with the Fool card. Wala na siyang control sa'yo. Pwedeng nakalaya ka na dito sa person na to. Okay, nakalaya ka na dito sa person na to, wala na siyang control sa'yo. And this person wants control. This is a controlling person. Ha? Pile number 1. This is a very controlling person. And maybe siguro, ikaw yung klase ng tao, meron akong nakukuha na yung iba sa inyo, you have the personality na very mabait, very friendly, okay, very approachable, okay. Yung iba sa inyo, this is a lover for some of you, ha? Confirming na with this obsessive lover, this is a lover. Malakas sa akin nakikita ko dito, this is a Scorpio. Merong transformation na naganap dito. For some of you, meron ako nakita na maybe na-transform ka. You have the transformation, nag-glow up. It can be many things. Nagkaroon ng bagong trabaho, nag-glow up financially. Alam mo yon, with this full card, meron akong nakita na ano na naging free ka. Nung naging free ka dito sa person, nag-glow up ka, nag-upgrade ka personally. Okay. Hmm. Tingnan pa natin. So, tingnan natin dito tingnan nga natin kung anong gustong sabihin nitong person na to sa'yo. File number 1. Kung may gusto ba tong sabihin sa'yo. Okay. Itong person na to. Itong lover na to. Malakas sa akin dito nakikita ko na this is a lover. This is a lover. Nakita nyo guys, meron ako ipapakita. This is a hook, right? Hook. So kung makikita nyo, matulis yung hook, di ba? Tingnan nyo to. Yung hands nitong person, nitong card with the Ace of Wands has a matalas yung kuko, right? While the other one with the Moon card, tingnan nyo yung kuko ng girl, matalas din, di ba? For some of you, this is a meron akong nakikita dito na na hindi maganda yung nito, hindi maganda yung intention nitong person na to towards you. Kung sino man to. Kasi you are a very innocent person. Meron ako nakikita na for some of you, very innocent kasi yung personality mo. Very free-spirited, very mabait, very naive. Okay? Hindi ko naman sinabing very totally parang walang alam. Ang ibig ko sabihin is very nice. You're a very nice person. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ano bang gustong sabihin nitong person natin? Tingnan nga natin. Oops. I can't come to you now. This person wants to come to you. Huh? Pero hindi siya makalapit. Pwedeng binlock mo tong person na to, pwedeng why can't I tell you the truth? Uy, this person wants to tell you something. Uy. Or this person is hindi maganda ang nito, hindi maganda ang intention nito I wish I could understand you. Uy, meron akong nakukuha na energy na this one, I wish I could understand you. Ikaw to. Ikaw to, yun nagsasabi sa kanya. Hindi mo kasi maintindihan tong person na to. Why this is very controlling. This love is crazy. Crazy love. A crazy ex, a crazy karmic, a crazy lover. Uy. Don't treat me the way you do. I don't deserve it. Di ba? This person know na hindi niya deserve ko ano yung magagandang bagay na pinakita mo sa kanya. Kasi nga, maybe hindi maganda yung intention niya towards sa'yo. Oh my God. Tingnan mo bottom of the deck is I am the man. Based dito sa nakita ko na to na I am the man, this signifies na this is a very manipulative or controlling person. Siya ang lalaki, siya ang masusunod. Nagigets nyo ba? Nakukuha nyo? With the I am the man, very traditional person. Gusto niya, very controlling to. Siya ang lalaki, siya ang masusunod with the I am the man. Okay? And siguro, this person crave for control. Meron ako nakikita na itong person na to is nagkikrave ng control. And siguro, nakikita niya na you are the perfect prospect. Okay? Maybe, siguro may pagmamahal pa tong person na to sa'yo. And siguro nga nag-glow up ka. Meron akong nakikita dito nag-glow up. With the moon card, o pwedeng, it can be you are secretive din also, kaya this person is very hooked on you. Oo, nababaliw sa'yo. Okay? Kasi siguro hindi ka masyadong nagpo-post sa social media. It can be, ha? Very, maybe hindi ka masyadong nagpo-post or nagpo-post ka sa social media. Okay? And this person is obsessively thinking kung ano na yung nangyayari sa'yo ngayon. Na? Yes. So, who is keeping tabs on you? An obsessive lover. Okay? An obsessive lover. Wala akong ibang nakikita dito. Just an obsessive lover who is hooked on you, still wants you back. Okay? Pero for some reason, hindi siya makalapit sa'yo. I don't know why. Maybe meron ako narinig na it can be you have a restraining order with this person, or you have the blotter with this person kasi siguro meron kayong history nito before na pwedeng naging physical maybe or verbally abusive sa itong person na to, kasi meron ako nakikita this person is a very controlling, manipulative, and very toxic person eh. Oo. This person is, ano nga ba yung pinakamanan to? Ano to? Intense, saka may pagka, ano to? Sige, sabihin natin may pagka-selfish. Meron akong nakikitang ganun dito sa person na to. May pagka-selfish tong person na to. Siguro nakikita niya nag-glow up ka and hindi siya natutuwa doon. Tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng ano, ng higher self, higher self card for you. Tingnan natin. Ano yung advice sa'yo ng higher self mo? Pile number 1. Tingnan natin kung ano yung advice sa'yo. May nakikita ko dito hindi maganda yung energy nitong person na to. Hindi okay yung energy niya. Gusto nito ulit ng control over you. Kasi nakita niya na you are starting a new career, a new venture, you are glowing up. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Success. O, diba? It's your time to shine. Success from what you pour your heart into. You are successful right now. Maybe in job. Pay attention. Look out for signs from the divine. Acknowledge red flags. Pay attention. Pay attention. Red flags. So, pay attention on your environment. Communicate. Receive and express the truth. Okay? If this person contact you, kasi this is the obsessive lover, kapag kinontak ka nitong person na to, communicate the truth. Communicate the truth. Express yourself. Okay? Next. Twin flame. A spiritual connection between you and your twin flame. Oh, it can be this is a twin flame. Huh? Okay, last card. Balance. Juggling too many things at once. Find time for yourself. Okay. So, sabi din dito, balance yourself. I-balance mo, wag ka masyadong ma-pressured. Meron din ako nakita dito na siguro you are so many responsibility or ginagawa sa plate mo. Okay, so balance lang. Okay, po pwedeng this is a twin flame connection. Okay, po pwedeng may trauma ka dito na kilala mo siguro tong person na to and siguro it stresses you out right now. Okay, nai-stress ka ngayon nung nalaman mo kung sino tong person na to. Okay, na keeping on tab on you. Okay, so pile number 1, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo itong reading na to. Okay, protect your energy, protect yourself, okay? Be aware in your environment. Pay attention on your environment, sabi dito. Pay attention. Look out for signs, okay, from the divine. Okay, so ang ibig sabihin doon, be careful, be attentive, okay? Huwag matakot i-communicate kung ano yung dapat sabihin, okay? Huwag isawalang bahala kung meron kayong napansin na medyo hindi okay. Okay, kasi hindi maganda yung energy na nabasa ko dito sa pile number 1, okay? This is an obsessive lover, a paranoid. Meron din ako nakitang a paranoid. And suspicious kasi din tong person na to kasi ano siya toxic yung behavior na nakikita ko sa kanya. Okay, so pile number 1, ayun yung reading mo. I hope nag-resonate sa'yo yung reading mo. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, okay? And like this video, okay? Kung nag-resonate sa inyo. And leave a comment. I really appreciate yung mga person na nagko-comment na resonated sa kanila, okay? Palambing na rin ako guys, palike na lang nung video natin or pa-share, okay? Maraming salamat and I will go to pile number 2 na. Okay, bye! Pile number 2, kung ito ang napili mong bracelet, okay, this is an obsidian or black tourmaline if I'm not mistaken, ito yung reading mo. So, ang topic natin for today is who is keeping tabs on you. So, tingnan natin. So, I will pull a lover oracle later on in a future higher self advice para sa inyo. Okay, so start na tayo. Let us start with the what's the tea. Okay, card mo. Haunted. Memories, flashback, trauma, side effect. Okay, with the haunted card, it can be you have a maybe this person is haunted by you or vice versa. Guys, so tingnan pa natin. Giving money. Uy. Stalker. Oh. Who is keeping tabs on you? Someone who is stalking, watching, and obsessively stalking you. Ah? Tinitingnan nito yung kilos mo. So, tingnan natin sa yung Luminous card. Conjunction, empowerment, combines with enhances, strengthen, join forces. Ooh, authorized. Uy, meron ako nakikita dito na for some of you, this person wants to join forces with you. This is an ally, okay? Po pwedeng this person wants to work with you. This person wants to help you. Okay. Meron ako nakita na for some of you, number to this person wants to combine his or her power with you. This person sees your potential as a person, okay? This person stalk you. Tinitingnan nito yung bawat kilos mo. Pile number 2. So, tingnan natin sa yung tarot card. 9 of Wands. It can be this is a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ace of Cups, water sign. Interesting. This person wants to offer you an emotion. Po pwedeng offering an emotion is it can be this is a friendship. Okay. For some of you, it can be this is a friendship or a love. A love offer. Tingnan natin na kung sino to. Queen of Pentacles, Earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Eight of Pentacles, Earth sign again. It can be this is a boss, a co-worker, a colleague. Uy. Three of Swords. Oh my. Why? Bakit may Three of Swords dito? And the Lovers. Uy. For some of you. For some of you. Okay. For some of you, this is a colleague or katrabaho. Or someone, meron ako din nakita ditong younger person while the other one is may mas may edad doon sa other person. Okay. So, po pwedeng this person is a lover with the lover's card here, and Three of Swords is someone who is feeling of betrayal, cheating, betrayal, hurt. Okay. Meron ako nakikita na maybe this person know na you are meron kang pinagdaanan. Siguro this person know na meron kang pinagdaanan on your personal life. It can be na you are in a Three of Swords, but still nagpapakatatag. Meron akong nakitang ganon. This person can be a lover, or hindi mo alam na nagkakagusto to sa'yo. This person wants to offer you money, wants to help you. Okay. Meron ako nakikita dito na pwedeng this person sees you as a Queen of Pentacles, an independent person, an alpha, pwedeng an alpha, very nurturing kind of a person, good sa money, and maybe this person wants to invest sa'yo. Okay, so meron ako nakikita na pwedeng this person is gustong mag-invest sa'yo. Gustong makipag-join forces sa'yo, gustong mag-invest. Simply gusto mag-invest. Matagal ka na nito siguro tinitingnan, pinagmamasdan. Okay. May nakikita ko din si lover. A potential lover. Matagal na tong may gusto sa'yo. May gusto sa'yo dati. Gusto kang tulungan nito. Empowerment. Meron ditong 2 cards signifies of giving. Alam nitong person na to na it can be pwedeng na-hurt ka before. Basta alam niya yung nangyayari sa'yo. Meron ako nakikita na alam niya nangyayari sa'yo, and this person wants to offer you money, wants to offer an emotion, start an emotional connection with you, wants to help you. Kasi this person sees you as a Queen of Pentacles. Very, a queen. Okay? Pag sinabi natin a queen, very nurturing, an independent person, ikaw yung klase ng person na kumbaga, nagiging masagana kapag ikaw ang nag-alaga, kapag ikaw ang kasama. Okay? And maybe this person has a trauma. Meron ako nakuha dito guys This person is may trauma or hunted before sa experiences niya. Okay, it can be. This person has a trauma. Okay, naloko to dati, pinirahan dati, pwedeng simple naloko to and may trauma to when it comes sa relationship. Okay? And this person is stalking you. Matagal ka na nitong ini-stalk, matagal ka na nitong tinitingnan, matagal ka na nitong pinapanood. O pwedeng sa social media or anything, matagal tong tinitingnan ka nito kung mapagkakatiwalaan ka niya. It can be this person is a wealthy person. Guys, this person is a wealthy person. Meron ako nakikita dito na nakita niya na you are a very nurturing kind of a person. You're a Queen of Pentacles. Hindi mo kailangan ng pera niya. You are a queen. Ikaw yung klase ng person na kung ano yung mahawakan mo, kung ano yung kasama mo, ano yung i-handle mo, nagbo-bloom siya. Ano nga ba yung simpleng doon? Nagpo-prosper siya, parang ganun. Kasi you are a very hardworking person. Okay? And gusto nito mag-offer ng love, mag-give ng money, makipag-join force sa'yo. Kasi alam niya na, you're a very strong person. Okay, pile number 2. Alam niya na he or she is in a good hand. So, take what's resonate, guys. Okay, so tingnan natin. Ano ba yung gusto nitong sabihin? Okay, kuha tayo ng card para sa inyo. Pile number 2. Ano bang gustong sabihin nito? Ano bang gustong sabihin nito? Tong person na to sa aking pile number 2. Itong person na nakikita namin sa reading. Oh, I don't know where to start. Uy, hindi niya alam kung paano kaya approach. I don't know where to start. I can't take it anymore. Ooh, this person is stalking you and can't take it anymore. He can't stand na yung pag-i-stalk. Gusto niyang kausapin ka na. Maybe this person wants to talk to you. Oh my gosh. Why do I feel this way? Emotions overwhelm me. Ooh, with the conjunction empowerment, overwhelm. Emotions overwhelm me. This person has in emotion sa'yo. Matagal ka na siguro nitong gusto. Matagal ka na nitong pinapanood. Oh my gosh, I feel lonely. Oh, with the 3 of Swords, this person feel lonely. Oh. Don't put up with my BS. This person knows na he is safe with you or she is safe with you. Kasi you are a Queen of Pentacles. You are a no BS person also. You are a queen. You are not childish, okay? You are a very matured person. An ideal wife, ideal girlfriend, ideal partner. Kaya nga gusto nitong maging partner ka. Gusto maging join forces sa'yo. Na-overwhelm tong person na to kasi siguro matagal na tong may gusto sa'yo. Matagal ka na nitong hinahangaan. Okay. Matagal ka na nitong pinapanood. This person feels that you saka siya ay perfect fit sa isa't isa. You're a perfect match para dito sa person na to. Matagal na tong nag-i-stalk sa'yo, matagal ka na nitong pinapanood. So, kuha tayo ng 5 card. Uy. Putting in the work. Action that helps achieve goals, building the path to success. You're a very successful person. Masipag ka magtrabaho. You can be an earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Uy. Happiness, new discoveries that lead to celebration. Love yourself first. Uy, this person knows that you love yourself. Okay, you are a very happy person. Next, evaluation. Feed out what doesn't serve you, reevaluate the situation. Oh, this person has an eye on you talaga. You know your worth. Meron ako nakuha na ganun, ha. You know your worth, guys. File number 2. You can you don't keep on any BS. Okay, meron ako nakuha ganun, ha. You're very matured. Acceptance. Accept past and current situation. Work through issues gracefully. Ooh, with the Haunted card and work through issues gracefully, alam nitong person na to na you are healed. You don't have any issues, okay? Pwede sigurong alam din niya na matutulungan mo siya. Doon sa issues niya. As your angel, seek the divine. Your angels want to support you. Okay, maybe this person is already asked his angels, her angels, or asked the divine, nagpray na to kung tama ba na ikaw yung pumunta towards you, mag-offer siya ng love sa'yo, parang ganon. And maybe, alam niya na he or she is safe sa'yo kasi you are a good person. You are a Queen of Pentacles. You have a good heart. Okay, pwede kasing alam niya siguro na hindi mo siya sasaktan. Okay. Alam niya na nasa good hand siya siguro. Alam niyang mabuting person ka. Okay. Kaya this person wants to offer you money, wants to offer a cup of love sa'yo. Okay. So, who is keeping tabs on you? This is a love potential. Okay. It can be this is a boss. Pero ako nakikita na for some of you, this is a boss na nagkagusto sa'yo, a colleague, pwedeng nakasama mo to sa trabaho or matagal ka na nitong kilala, okay, sa office, pero nag-stalk lang to sa'yo, hindi to nagpaparamdam, hindi to nagpapahiwatig na may gusto siya sa'yo, okay. So, yun yung nakikita ko. And this person is alam niya na you are a very trustworthy person. Pagkakatiwalaan ka. Okay? Alam niya magiging masaya siya sa'yo. Okay? Maybe this person soon will talk to you. Approach ka. Oo. Maybe this person is very melancholy or alam mo yon yung very emotional tong person na to while you are very happy person. Okay? You are a very jolly person. Okay, so pile number 2, this is your reading. I hope nag-resonate sa'yo. Who is keeping tabs on you? So, yun yung mga sinabi kong mga clue kanina. So, you're welcome to like this video. Subscribe also kung di ka pa nakasubscribe. Share this video para mas dumami pa yung ating community. And comment down below kung nag-resonate sa'yo. I really do appreciate yung mga nagko-comment. Kung hindi nag-resonate sa'yo to, po pwedeng pumili ka ng ibang pile, which is the pile number 1. Okay? So, kung hindi man nag-resonate parehas sa'yo to, maybe sa susunod na araw. Okay? So, take what's resonate lang. Iba't iba ang energy. Po pwedeng hindi mo kasi to energy. Dahil marami pong nanonood no video. So, maraming salamat guys. Keep on supporting me. I really appreciate po. Natutuwa po si Luna, yung aking pusa. Sa inyong suporta. Maraming salamat guys. Have a good day. God bless. Bye!